Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Mark Collins on this Thursday, October 10th, where we're taking you on a surf forecast that gets you through Thursday of next week. So first off, we've had some very rough waves here the past couple of days. It hasn't been very clean. Waves on this Thursday are running 5 to 7 feet with that stiff northeast wind that has been blowing at about 20 to 25 right along the coastal areas. The good news is that wind should lighten up a bit as we head into Friday, but it'll still stay onshore out of the northeast at about 15 miles per hour. Front has moved through. We're getting the pressure forcing behind that. But take a look at what's happening off of New England. This will keep some ground swell in the mix for Friday into Saturday. Here you can see that wave heights are running around 25 to 26 feet off the coastline of Massachusetts. So we're going to see some of that northerly fetch push a little bit of a swell into our area here. And that's why we've got the wave period pulsing a bit as we head into Friday and early on Saturday. So you see wave periods increasing to about 13 seconds here, even though the actual swell will decrease here through the remainder of the forecast, unfortunately. But the winds have been the big factor. It has been very messy out there. Yesterday, Michler's Beach was definitely not the place to go. However, I did manage to paddle out there. Just a few drift cycles out there, good for the exercise, but the surf was very poor as it is here today on Thursday. High rip currents out there because of those waves, and hopefully you can find a rip current to help get you out through those high breakers. This is the sea breeze forecast on Saturday. Obviously, we're not going to have much of a forecast for sea breeze, but we'll have that wind out of the northeast because that ridge of high pressure is to the north. So let's show you the forecast maps here through the evening. We've got the front stalling to our south over South Florida here, and there you see the high pressure 1021 millibar high over the Carolinas. As that builds closer to us on Friday, the high will weaken, and so do our winds, whereas that gale is still kind of just meandering here off the coastline of the mid-Atlantic. So this is why over the next 2 days we'll start to see some of that ground swell show up along North Florida beaches, and even into Saturday we'll see that. By Sunday, that system is gone. Our winds will be very light this weekend, so you'll watch for a cleanup. So here you can see the yellow, that's the ground swell coming in. Then we're left with mainly a 10-second wave period as we head through the early part of next week. And I don't see any wave systems out there to really enhance your waves. So let's talk about the details. I'm thinking Friday, probably 2 to 3 foot surf in the nearshore waters here, and possibly up to 4 feet. But then it really starts to drop off here as we head into Saturday. So looking at Saturday, waves on the order of 1 to 2 feet in the breakers. We'll have light winds in the morning, variable, so you'll have finally a clean morning session, unlike Friday morning where we'll be onshore. Still clean into Sunday as well, but we'll have that southeasterly wind developing during the afternoon. The onshore flow could get a little windy with gusts up to around 15, and then taking you through Monday and Tuesday, diminishing surf around 1 foot with an east to southeast breeze here through the early part of next week. I'll sneak ahead into next weekend. We might actually see a building northeast wind swell as we head into Saturday, and that could linger into Sunday as well. So something to bite on. We'll definitely have waves here this weekend and possibly even into next week, although we'll probably see the surf drop off a bit into that 1 to 2 foot range here as we head through the upcoming work week. All right, I'm Mark Collins for Channel 4, the local station. That's your surf update.